Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the start relay in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall so you can access the rear of the appliance. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the water inlet line coupler from the lower rear access panel. Unthread all of the screws to release the access panel. Use pliers to detach the retainer securing the start relay and run capacitor. You can now detach the relay and capacitor from the compressor motor. Disconnect the wire connector. Detach the run capacitor. Install the new start relay by first attaching the capacitor. Connect the wire connector. Position the assembly on the compressor motor pins. Secure with the retainer. Reinstall the access panel. Be sure to secure the water inlet line coupler to the panel. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.